Ayurveda is a system for the eco-bio balance. Nature or the humans are inseparable. Ayurveda believes Sarvam Dravyam Panchabhaudikatvam. Everything in this universe is made out of the 5 elements. So my body and rest of the organic and inorganic material in this universe is also made out of the same elements, the 5 elements. So the very basic principle of Ayurveda is Samanya Vishesha Siddhanta. That itself means that any imbalances inside us can be brought back to balance by introducing the objects from the nature, because our body and the objects in the nature is basically consisting of the same elements.
Are you ready to experience yoga, travel and wellness? I look forward to welcoming you on the next Living in Alignment retreat.